Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I am going to be showing you how to get free Revolut money. So basically you can get that done by referral. So if you are looking for earning a bit extra, then only way yet you can do is using a referral. So basically their referral program is available. If you head over to their official referral help page, you are going to be getting to know more about it. Let me just show you. You can see a referral reward can only be granted if a friend you invited has completed all the required steps before the deadline. So you can earn rewards for up to 5 invites per campaign, and the reward is of course going to be converting into your credit or balance. And yeah, so this is basically how you can get some free money, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.